this direction. Yeah, because that's the darkest.
Yeah, I'll keep it on to film stuff while we wait. So we're at the library and the park and downtown. And then let's go over here, I'll show you this. So it's like I think it's like a 7 pack or something. And then there's the water fountain.
What's the sunset?
For the people that died in the war.
Okay.
And then this is cool. So water fountain.
There's no gunk on the water.
It's clean.
It's very clean.
Yeah.
It's
Cold
not
is there.
slimy when you take your hand out.
Smells like water.
Yes, it does. So yeah, this town is awesome for keeping its
Upkeep is really good.
upkeep. Yeah. Oh, totally.
This is a cute park. I want to see some lightning.
I know, right?
And there's some stuff over here too. There's those picnic tables and stuff. See, it shows
14.
90 something, 1918, 1969, 1945.
So it's a
So-
30.
Oh, no, 14, 18, 39, and 45. It says 2 world wars.
Yeah.
That's that one. And then, whoa! Sorry, yeah. Well, I saw it with my eyes. I didn't see it with the camera. Anyway, it was really cool. And then there's the picnic tables.
That was definitely a good flash.
Yeah, it's on the side. Yeah, I know. But here's the best part of the best spot.
I think it'll be one right over here.
Either here or there. Let's stay here for a few minutes.
Water mat.
Careful.
Drop of water.
Anyway, waiting for the storm, but it's not happening. And the trees are pretty too.
I know, right?
Where's the mama say? But I'm still stressed out. Where the mama sang us to sleep, but now I'm stressed out.
I still sleep.
When the mama sang us to sleep, sang lullabies like, good night, child.
Sleep, but we were still stressed.
But now we're stressed out because
okay.
fucking working and dealing with adult shit. But they want to go back to the times when things were normal.
Yeah. Quiet.
They're happy. I don't think we're gonna get any more light now.
No. But
That was
as soon as
it.
you put your camera down, I'm sure
I know
it'll
it's
be over.
and it's gonna be everywhere.
Lightning fork, lightning flash, lightning all over.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go to the zoo today after as well. That's
Yeah.
the